Have you ever wondered, what's next? Have you thought, I wish I knew about the next big economic trend before it hits? Maybe you have seen online startups grow into billion-dollar companies, but you don't know how to get involved. Maybe you were searching for a way out of the time for money trap. Maybe you were looking for more out of life. Maybe you aren't afraid of hard work and want to earn your reward. If that's you, you might want to pay attention. We have what you've been searching for. Hard work and preparation can help you catch the next big business trend. You just have to harness the power of a system to do it. Have you considered why the world is trained to trade their time for money? Back in the day, when our great-grandfather left the field and went to work in a factory, he was told if he worked 40 years for 40 hours a week, he would be taken care of. Our grandfather did the same, and our father went off to college to get a better job with a better education. And that is how we were convinced to trade our most valuable resource, our time, to earn money for 30, 40, 50 years. But what if that line of thinking should have changed in the family, but simply hadn't? What if the internet changed everything, the same way the printing press changed the world? It did. And harnessing the power of the internet, you can do things never before possible. Add the concept of franchising, and you can create wealth that has only been available to a few throughout history. What if there was a recipe you could follow that taught you how to think like the wealthy think, how to work like the wealthy work, how to earn how the wealthy earn? There is such a system, and it's called XO. Harnessing the power of the internet, XO delivers the wisdom and knowledge of the wealthy through its web-based platform. Since we know you're looking for more out of life, why not learn from those who were once in your shoes and have chosen the path of entrepreneurship to design their life plan? Learn from the XO system so you can copy their exact playbook when it comes to business. Our playbook is simple and has 3 distinct parts. Products. We have them. You like Tide? We have Tide. You like mac and cheese? We have mac and cheese. And just about everything else you can imagine. Profit. You like deals? We have deals and free shipping options. People. Ever told a friend about a good deal? We pay you for doing exactly that. Good products are required for every good business, but it's people who make a business great. Word of mouth is the most powerful form of advertising, and by helping entrepreneurs like you learn how to leverage a system to grow and teach a community of people, you can design your life. Will you join us as we quit the rat race that overworks and underpays its employees, all while looking out for the interest of the business and not the individual? Will you join us as we oppose big box retailers who keep profits to themselves and shareholders to the tune of billions and billions of dollars a year? Why not be part of the new compensated marketplace that will pay back those billions of dollars down to the individual, helping your family get out of debt, spend more time with those they care about, and make the impact you've always hoped to make? Be part of the movement that stands for working smarter, not harder, where you know you can make it. We invite you to join the consumer revolution.